Hi, we are asked to find the value of x given that log 5x minus 6 in base a plus log 2x plus 3 in base a is equal to log 10x squared minus 3x minus 5 in base a. So we are asked to find the value of x. So the equation we have is that log 5x minus 6 in base a plus log 2x plus 3 in base a is equal to log 10x squared minus 3x minus 5 all in base a. Now, the first thing we do here is to apply the addition law of logarithm at the left-hand side. So the equation becomes log 5x minus 6 multiply by 2x plus 3 all in base a equal to log 10x squared minus 3x minus 5 all in base a. So now we can expand the bracket at the left hand side. So we have it that 5x times 2x is 10x squared. 5x times 3 is 15x. Minus 6 times 2x is minus 12x. And minus 6 times 3 is negative 18. All in base a equal to log 10x squared minus 3x minus 5 all in base a. Now, since their bases are the same, which is base a, the equation now becomes 10x squared plus 15x minus 12x is 3x minus 18 equal to 10x squared minus 3x minus 5. Now, at this point, we will equate this to be equal to 0. So we'll move all the terms at the right-hand side to the left-hand side. So the equation becomes 10x squared minus 10x squared plus 3x plus 3x minus 18 positive 5. All is equal to 0. Now at this point, 10x squared will cancel out 10x squared plus 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x minus 18 plus 5 is equal to minus 13. Everything is equal to 0. Now we have that this is 6x equal to 13. Now to obtain the value of x, we divide the equation by 6. So therefore 6 will cancel out 6 and x is equal to 13 divided by 6. Thank you so much for watching, and if you know you found the video helpful, please like the video, and also for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.